So you were saying like a lot of them.
I'm not doing
don't
what
get-
chili.
No, what I can do fast.
Just doing that for me.
Like, these are real stories from here. So guys, okay, let's go. We have more time to waste. Can you tell me to Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos and very special. And guys, it's another beautiful morning here which God have granted us. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So guys, anyway, it's quite early morning over here, and we have the birds from other side. So guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos, and subscribe to my channel guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Road to success guys. You know, if you're supporting me by watching my videos, subscribing, comment, share, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And I'm just focus ahead. Oh, we have hens here. Wow, that's the hen. And on today's videos guys, to be honest, it's day 2 with my visitor, and let's see guys what we expect from her guys. And subscribe to their channel, I really appreciate guys. So yesterday I pinned the link on the comment section, so if you are new and you subscribe to my channel, you comment the first link that have been pinned below, just click there, subscribe to their channel. And also guys, check out Felistas, I really appreciate. So we just over here to promote each other. So guys, I want to take you around at my home, and I want to prepare sorry guys, sorry, I'm quick recover. So guys, I want to prepare the place where they wanna do some another videos, you know. So I'm trying to help them here and there, but first I wanna take you around. Oh man, so let me collect this stuff here. Let me collect, you know, when the birds are around here, throw some leaves here and there guys, and then finally it fall inside, you know, which I don't like. Okay, I throw them there. Also, I told them they must remove this stuff from here, you know, because when we close, it's raining the gap here, so the leaves will start going inside. I don't know whether there is water or not yet. I didn't understand the situation. Oh my god, I think there is water. No, there's no water guys. Okay guys, I'm trying to remove the container from the borehole. Okay guys, okay. And then I put aside, and then you put like this, you know, to close the gap. So actually this one, so guys, I wanna prepare for my visitor. When she arrive anytime, you wanna see her reaction guys. Okay, this is day 2 with my visitor guys, all the way from Nakuru. And wow, it's a blessed guys, it's a blessed, you know, it's a blessing thing guys. Okay, you see the way I'm tightening there, and then it's look like that, and then squeeze. So when it's reach at this heights or level, could be maybe you able to fetch water. So guys, my work is to remove these leaves here around the borehole, and then I throw away. And the baby on the control. Okay guys, you know, we want to make things to be clear. And guys, I'm trying like to give my well some a chance, because down it's collapsed. So as we fetch water, we try to look them. When it repeats one more, I'll do cemented. I'll do cemented. Wow. Wow. Guys, me, I want to say thank you so much for those people who keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Imagine, guys, we're so blessed. We have organic fruits here. We have organic avocado, whichever the case, you know. And it's 2-2. This one itself 1. Imagine, guys, you know. Also, we have birds here. So, guys, technically, I supposed to visit one of my brother on this side here. So I don't want to talk too much. Me, I just love to come here to check these birds, man. Okay, guys. Okay. And the day is coming. The day is coming. You know, the day is coming. I'm just dealing with this month, and then the next month is to prepare myself. So I'm going to see one of my brother on this side here, how he was doing actually before I'm going to invite my visitor right now. So just run to other side to see how things go. Wow. And on this sector, I'll have my African mom to see my mom's reaction after receiving my visitor day 2. Wow. Because right now, guys, I didn't have enough rooms. My visitor could able to sleep here and there. But soon, guys, soon. Just pray for me, guys. Soon. You'll see some changes. Soon. This house has some memory, guys. You know, but soon you will see. Whew. We have a beautiful cow here. They're sleeping. You good? Hey. Okay, guys. Me no idea at all. So let's go have another one here. Wagwan. Man selector. They're good, guys. At this time when I'm passing here, I see the materials. I feel my stomach is full. Mungu sumo bari mur. Tan sambe. How do you see it? Fresh. Tanganin. This is some suckers, guys. We plant kales or sukuma wiki. You know, we have 2 categories. We have seeds, kales, and this one. Saka. Fresh, you need to learn them, Tachekiana. Yeah, Tachekiana. I just like Swahili words. It's not like, it's a Swahili words means see you later. So, guys, me, I'm just going that way, and I want to see how my brother is doing. You know. Okay, guys, subscribe to our channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Share this platform, you know. Also, guys, check Felistas, guys. Take her to 1,000, guys, you know. Wow, beautiful sunflower. Yeah, I love that, man. I love that. You know, that's my great grandma. You know, this one is so big, man, from upper side. You know. Hey, sunflower. These are real farmer here, guys. Me, I say congratulations to him. I know this guy who was working so hard. You know, guys, when the maize look like this one, without putting fertilizer, weeding well, you never harvest anything. But for him, he sacrificed lots, man. Look. And I say congratulations to him, guys. Let me visit my brother before I receive my visit again, guys. You know, the house which receive the visitor every time is the house that have blessing and have love. I'm telling you guys, you know, you just comment on your opinion, and it tells you, in our village here, farming is our backbone. You know, look, every is maize, man, maize, man, maize. Wow, we exchange. There's other places they didn't plant maize, you know, they plant other cash crop. So where I came from Nyanza region, guys. They plant maize, they plant sugarcane, they plant beans, sweet potatoes, but I didn't see pineapple. Also they plant yams, arrowroot. So we exchange. For us, we didn't plant, like the pineapple didn't do well here, so we exchange for those people who plant like pineapple. Well, guys, so I'm heading that way. So after that, visit one of my brother. When I found him, I'll show. When I didn't find him, I'll better leave, and then I'm going to take my strong breakfast. I head to Border Town, and then from that you'll see my visitor, because I'm going to prepare something special for them. Wow. Hey man, I love to pass on trees like this, but nowadays where I came from, on the other side they cut trees, guys. To have that view, that nature. Okay, that's one of my brother also, his home, you know, within here. Wow. Technically, guys, let's go. You know, we have napier grass here, you know. Our cow needs to eat. Guys, where I came from, everywhere I pass, it's green vegetation, you know. And the land which have green vegetation, it's a cool and chilly place. You know what I mean? Let's move. Let's move, man. Let's move. Because I was wake up in the morning, and one of my brother said, just pay a visit to my home. Let me see whether I can find him. If I didn't find him, it's a bad luck for him. Bad day. Oh. According to our culture, when you knock the right leg and it means where you are going, you'll find that guy. So probably I think I'll find him. Guys. Find him. Barak, babe, metulia. Twende nyumbani. Let's see, guys. This is other part of my family. You heard the dog? But I'm afraid of the dog, guys. You heard the dog from other side? Guys, sorry, I don't want to film people's kids, guys. Sorry for that. This side here. Wait him. Hey!
Hello, baby. How are you, my brother?
Okay, guys, I'm just arrived.
How are you guys? Welcome back. Of which this is my home. I am Master 254. I've been.
You are rich. You wear the short.
Yeah, I wear the short because today is on Sunday. You know, in the weekend you have to put some clothes, those that the air is just passing, penetrating well. So let me pack and I'll just introduce you.
to the dog when I'm passing there. Just make it like a Sasa.
Guys, I went to buy some turubai. I want to cover. There is a. I just want to cover my bricks. We have a project of making bricks.
Let's go.
Welcome to my compound, guys.
Guys, dream to build.
Yeah, dream to build a home in Africa.
Yes. Nataka kuonesha watoto sisi. Small something. Yeah, they want to cook ugali. Okay, guys. I am master.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hello Baby Official. Welcome and welcome back. I have a YouTube by the name The Village Master, so go kindly check me out.
You change Master 254?
Yeah, to the Village of the Village Master. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I have a so amazing video there. You can just go and view and make sure that you follow me and leave a good sweet comment motivating me and giving me power to work. So guys, I've been not in the village. Currently I'm just working at mining point. So I'm not in the village around here. So I just arrived yesterday and I have a project here, as you can see. Yeah, I'm just making bricks. I just want to have a beautiful house. Wherever someone is just coming to visit me here, wherever one is just come to visit me here, he will be coming to enter my big house. I'll just put it here.
Yes. So how many rooms?
I just think like the house will be consisting with 2 bedrooms, one
sitting room and
kitchen.
Hidden roof?
Yeah, hidden roof.
Okay.
I didn't like the hidden roof. So
you like hidden?
I have my beautiful wife there. You can just see. For those who are just saying that Master is not.
Is a single.
Master is not single. Guys, my wife is just fearing camera. As you told you guys, camera is not water. You see how he's just fearing. So guys, here is African. You can just see we are just cooking here. This is food. This is how we cook ugali. So guys, I have 3 daughters.
I think I'll take one shot of pick nine. Yes.
So guys, I really appreciate it. This morning I was just going to buy some iron sheet here. Come my corner.
Hey, you are rich, bro.
So
rich.
I went to buy some 10 iron sheets. As you can see, they are called doomsers in Kenya here. So I just went there. I bought 10 iron sheets. One at 1,000 Kenyan money. So yes. I really appreciate my living God because it's just giving me enough time and money. You know, when you are just working, you have good health. God is just blessing you well. You really thank God. And my people, they are just working well.
You say me hello.
Say me hi.
Say me hi. Say me hi.
Hi.
Yes, guys. Because when I was rolling the camera, it was coming near to me, like my sister. Okay.
So guys, I really appreciate Hello Baby because Hello Baby is a friendly and we are just in the same village. And today I'm so glad because as I arrived, he has already come to visit me. So thank you very much guys.
Okay,
so
guys.
You can just continue.
May just pay a visitor because he found me in border town and said, bro, just welcome at my home. I said, all right. Okay, this is another project here for making bricks. These bricks, but the Tybots blocks, you know, and the first guy which I was used for making me another project like this, her mother denied, like bring the chores. Tukiona mahama mararuga. Tukiona mahama mararuga. Ambia afa kuweke uone. Get mimbura. Yeah, guys, the setting here. Mita eva ona hanoka akino ta wolo mufundo. Agate mama buroko eva no penako. Kagara mangu kinyagari hana akukiri nyumba hano pon. Tofari.
Hango pa ni chibro na chante mi chibro.
Chirana. Ero ateme.
Tomo sense itipimu.
Tarate me randa en primera ko. Nde nongo tu no otente.
Okay guys. Karana baru bale. Baru. This thing Korean shit, man. And I'm going to eat my strong food and then I left.
You're trying to fix. You know, you're just preventing this because rain is just harmful.
Yeah.
You just damage these blocks. We are just making here bricks.
Tatema matofali 5 hagati nyumba song. Kwano iga?
Abarogi bara to so.
Hakuna warogi hapo ni mwenye ni kuiroga. Kwano ukarogi ntiga sababu kuna warogi. Eh. Ohe. Onemba se kugora hata kukutoreka kumyeme. Asa no kumen kuya hoiri kura, nikatama hokogoro fana na magoro dama.
Baka kiko mabati ni 10 kama inafungua niambie leo.
Atatema kwanza hansi.
Mimi mje mnifungulie hii yangu.
Mara ora kana ngoda koro ke amon.
Sasa ningepikia wapi pia mlikuwa mjatengeneza sehemu. Hebu niacheka sana.
Kuna uroro humu. Uroro. Sasa fano pa mano irukia hayo eh. Okay guys, we shall meet on the next videos. Right now. Hey, that's ugali right there. Okay. Tunasonga ugali. Vile mnaona ugali unapikwa.
Tizi kuruga.
Hizi kuruga.
Tizi kupika.
Out to the kitchen.
Atopo kena bunu kwene kwa pori.
Mwitako tora magia. Struggling cooking. Atokora magia mwitu. Wana kweli kabisa.
Wewe. Hiyo komedi ndio itabamba sasa.
Nataka hii kule hata. Hey. Ndio kiranyi katika nyumba
Upande ule.
Cooking good for their family and those men who are working there. Ni uko so kani hitafari hiyo ni baba.
Kwanza na niruko kwa mareyebwa. Tuno baba fundi vya.
In our village you need to struggle, guys.
Bro, nataka funga macho. Bro, nataka funga macho.
Enda mnilete sahani ya brown. Sahani ya brown pale juu kwa vyombo. Noe.
Hello babies, meant of ugali. Master hey. Yeah. Bosi wa walingere magata yao.
Bosi yake mgeni maro.
Aratira.
Mimi nataka nifungulie.
Iga?
Kama nifungu.
Bazero mabuki baibo na rugo iko.
Oh, napika.
Eh. Mana wana hansere camera mo. Guys, right now it's chopping off kales here. Osukuma. Wana mapopo wengi amanyiri. Guys, I feel smoke. It's outside but too much smoke. Wakengera ukivandi sukuma eh? Wakengera ukivandi sukuma.
Ndakengera kakiweito.
Okay. Some skills. Uma here, right here. Bonfire.
No era. Nikimbia nani ulete chumvi mami?
Guys, according to our culture, you know, here is our home. So the food is ready on the table. You know. Alright, this is ugali. Dambla. Master Hahehe.
Master, the village master now.
Washing hand in local way. Local. Kana kyo nitako ni sura tu. Ni sura tu ya camera.
Guys, this is my home, not my father's home. This is the master, the village master home. Now I'm just trying to.
Hello man, pataka tigre. It's comedy chakari. Ah, master, pray for the food.
We have a shortage of our chairs, so I have to sit here. We have only 2 chairs, imagine, guys. We are starting the home.
Yes.
Only 2 chairs.
When
guys.
you start new home, there's some challenges here. And
So don't
so
let me pray for this. Oh God, bless this food before we take it. Through Jesus' name, I pray and believe.
Amen.
Amen. You know,
Amen.
in Africa here, you have
Bro,
to
you
put,
say Africa, put it
you
down.
have to put short prayers. You know, when you put long prayers,
We do like this.
someone may steal the food.
Me, I'm a love of veggies, guys. I don't mind nyama.
This is called matumbo, ivyanda in Africa.
Okay, guys, it's time to go back home. Master, thank you for your
guys.
food.
Thank you for the visit.
Good
Welcome
appetite.
back.
Yeah.
I love you all, guys.
I'm full right now. Mama Wankuru, asante. Yeah, guys, I say thank you because village master invite me, so I wanna go this way. Okay, guys, because I think this is the moment to receive the visitor. Wow, guys, during the funeral, I promote them. The concrete, it's by power and mercy of God. I support them, you know. So that being said, earlier, this is my family member, guys. This is my family, man. This is my family. This is my family, man. I'm telling you. We have avocados right here. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Banana plantation. It tells you here no jokes, man. Here no jokes. Wow. So on today's videos, it could be longer or shorter, guys, because today's on Sunday. And Ndindo, Vipi, Kuna Vitano. Yeah, that's my brother, guys. You know, all of this that you see house where I'm walking, it's my family. But like, I'm not contented to visit one-on-one. This is Mexico here. Building of the house. Here, guys. Judo. Guys, this is the molding of the house. You can see from other side to this side here. I remember if you see uncle Berenge, when you go to the hang. To the hang, if you see uncle. You got to check out the Moreno week and you check your limit. Don't you see uncle? Tarigataragora. I never get an answer. I got don't run me. I can not go to you. Margaret and I got forward to you. Hey, what to name is uncle? Hata nono yosore usohiri judo. Kana nuko endo okay ngiriti ndiri bisohe. Usohi wikita ni rinde usohi goro. Bateri. Ukobegena no bageni nyuliwa ne hara. Ngamane ndenganya ntige. Yo wale fai. Ona ekyo. Buhande. Okay guys, from here to other side, that's my home. Also, that's I'm telling you, my family is somehow at large in number. Wow. Let's go. Let's go, guys. And I'm supposed to buy these bricks here, but I'm looking for the man. Uko bien? Yeah. So also that's my family right this side here. Hey, maize is doing good, man. Growing bigger. You see right here. Oh man. So I'll have one of the trip for the bricks. So he invited me, informing me, hello baby, just buy the bricks. Actually from here to other side, it's closely, but this time round I wanna buy one trip for the blocks, one after all, and then I close the chapter, guys. I focus on cements, and then also we need to have labor money. Man, things are going good, man. So I'm heading home after visiting the rest part of my family. Maybe I didn't show you on TV, but today I show you guys, you know. So let's go. So after these videos, I think, guys, I see the rain is coming from this side, and soon you wanna see my visit at home. Wow. Hello baby, I'm just pull up at my home, man, again. Okay. Hey mama, I see my African mama on the other side. Papa. Yeah, that's my bike, man. That's my baby, man. That's my babe. You know, I watch them in the morning. I will indicate that videos. Okay. Wewe vipi? Meno tayari? Tayari meno? Kara hiyo kuhiro man. Guys, sister, say hello. You good? Yeah, that's my sister. Uko kushiba? Yeah, this is our rounder here. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Okay, that's my African mom. Wow, let's go. So guys, I'm heading inside, and then I wanna take the angle of this rain is coming from this side here, and then I'll take you to Border Town, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to receive Felistas, and then after that you will see my visitor. So it's the same visitor that you see on yesterday and today also. You see them both together. So this is my last videos doing with my visitor. So let's see, guys. Let's see. So we want to experience life in our village here. We want to experience life in my countryside where I came from. So I'm going to receive Felistas, and then from that you see again my visitor. Actually, after that I'm running to border town, but I see the rain is coming from this side, but this side is clear. Okay, touch on me. Okay, guys. Okay, say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello YouTube channel. My name is Felistas. Yeah.
Okay, how was your yesterday's videos go? Because right now I invite you, you wait me here. I'm going to come with my my visitor calling me. So when she came around, so you tell her to wait me because I'm running to border town. Okay. Guys, check out Felistas. I'm trying to keep supporting him as I can, and you guys, you never lack to forget Felistas, guys. Support her. You know, my work is to introduce her, and then you subscribe. Okay. Today you wanna make videos or not yet? Oh, okay. So also, I think I left my African mom. My mom is outside there with my cousin, my sister. So you wait me outside there. I'll come after a few minutes.
Okay.
You wanna see me here?
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I'm heading to take my bike and rush to border town. That's Felistas, guys. All the way from Nyabohanse to my home, and also my visitor from Nakuru to my home. Man, I'm so blessed. Guys, I'm heading this way. Right now, I left home, so I'm on this road here. So technically, I'm heading to border town, and then I come back, you know, to do my thing. Let's go. I'm going to fuel my bike, and then from that, I'll head to border town, guys. Wow, super amazing, guys, you know, I'm telling you. Heading straight. You know, I understand, guys, most of the people don't like camera, so that's the reason why when I see people in front of me, I twist my camera. Okay, I'm outside with my baby right here. It's blue in color, you know. I see people fetching firewood in front of me. Village life. There's a shop right there. Banana plantation. Okay, let's go. Wow. And guys, technically I'm heading to border town right now. So after this moment, let's go. Stagnant water right there. Okay. Hidden roof on other side. I'm telling you guys, this round when I'm walking with my bike or maneuver around, people real building, man, real building for sure. I'm telling you. I see finger millet on the other side, plantation. No, finger millet plantation on the other side right there. Right now, guys, the dump site is smelling because last night it's raining, and right now the sun is burning them, so it's totally smelling. Poof, 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 poof. Oh my god. But guys, imagine you have leaders and this side, dump site is smelling. That's a crazy thing. Oh my god. Let's go. That's a cake or a tuk-tuk. And then the other side. Oh, look even this. So guys, I'm meeting the tarmac road right now. What a town for you. Great. Oh! Wow. Even some young kids know me. Oh! Let's go. Today's on a Sunday. See that house right there? One day could be my dream house. I'm telling you, see that view right there. Okay. And actually guys, I want to fill my bike, so I have only $1 in my pocket. I want to fill my bike here on this station, and then things will be moved perfect, you know. Hey. Weka ya mia. Yeah, si mafuta ni mafuta. Kwanza mengine yanaisha haraka. Haki. Juu nikiweka hii naenda. Okay guys, let's move. Showing you around. Wow, Bora town. Town imetulia. Siku ya Jumapili Guys, I'm saying it's a chilling day, you know, today. The town is chilly. Okay. If you love border town, guys, comment on the comment section. If you love border town, comment. Comment. If you love border town, guys, comment. That's police station right there. No. Okay. Some retailers business here and there. Okay. I'll take you long. Like that. As we keep moving. And today the bank have been closed, guys. I'm telling you. You see the bank have been closed. Only ATM places have been working. Serious. Hello baby, come to border town, showing you. Okay. Let's go. Have been raining, guys, and I wonder this side have been raining, and I wonder. Border town for sure. This border point, Lord. Timberlodge. Not border point, Timberlodge. Oh. Have some construction there. No. Okay. This other side, which made I didn't show you. People building, you can see from this side here. You know, that's iron shades. And also we have Palm Lodge. Well service right here. I think it has two. Sauna, okay. This Palm Lodge, welcome. Right there. It's crazy, guys. Here have been raining and my home not yet. Young kid pulling the goats right there. Ugh. Okay. That's a villa right there. Okay. Niambie. Kivipi?
Piga basi uko live ama uko nini?
Mimi napiga video yangu ya normal.
Ya leo ama ya nini? Uko aje?
Niko poa. That's my friend, guys.
Yo my people, nawasalimia sana, mtanipata pale mnet.
Nani? Unajiita nani?
Check out @binta_ke. Follow pale IG.
Nipotega wapi?
Mimi bana niko.
Guys, I'm washing my bike right there. You can see right here. So that's the generator actually. Super clean. Wow. Shangaa sana.
Hata ulitumia akili. Ulikuwa shika breki ya mbali, eh?
Hi guys, I'm Janet. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Goes by the name Lamson Seeds. Kindly go and check on our videos. Today we are going to prepare the ugali.
Other they call sima.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go and fetch water.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Anakuleta wewe leta ndo. Ndo chukwele huko. Mlete ndo. Yes. Okay, guys. So life in my countryside, all the way from town to experience life in our village. Yep. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm calling home.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so grateful. Wow. Tutachota kidogo. Kijastaki kula muda wa bodaboda. Hiyo wata kama ndani. Life in the countryside with my visitor. Yeah. Cooking ugali for us here.
Yes.
Yep. Shaja, maji ni mengi.
Oh my God.
Una nguvu tuta. Sio utoki Dar es Salaam mjini.
Mjini?
Pana.
Yes, sure.
Naingia ndani. Adramsi.
No.
Amsi unaingia ndani. Mjini. Okay, guys. To try the best.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys.
That's it.
Just okay. Okay. Guys, don't charge me on these videos. I'm sure the visitor. So learning things little pole. So if you wanna cook ugali for us,
Enough.
here,
Enough.
yes, that's ugali. Wow, that's how we make friendship through YouTube. Yeah, you know each other. Niweke mwenyewe.
Maji yatoshi. Unga hautoshi.
Yangu fote. Mwaga wote.
Ugali.
Siamke kuja huku. Kama una usongo na kuja huku juu tofali. Guys, our visitor cook for us ugali here. I'm telling you.
It's my first day to cook ugali. Many.
So you cook for 1 or 2 people?
Yes.
Usifinye haraka na nguvu, utakuja makuja hapa.
Msaidie.
Yeah, pick. Okay, guys. Tapeleka mkulia ndani. Hizi udongo.
Tumalize hapo. Imefika ngapi yake?
Hizi video ziko hapo.
Malizia tu hadi utaje kula.
Hii mnaenda kulia kwa nyumba. Isipendi intention ya watu hapa nje. What's that? They're struggling. Usichome yebo. Ona huyu. Bisha kiatu yemo. Utakuja kuchome.
Jesus Christ. I have to strong. Kidogo bali vijazima na maji mengi. Menukia. Aisha karibu jikoni.
Ina rekodi. Send direct hotspot.
Tunatolea kwa sana.
Alafu sasa kubeba.
Weka hapa kwa haina shida. Sini ugali. Sawa. Nisaidie
Okay guys, we put on this bigger plate. Oh my god. Wow. Felistas on the control. This is so good. Unapasha tena?
Kidogo. Kama liziba.
Haya, hivi
Kama maji ya kukula.
yapenda kumaliza kukula. Itabidi uiname bana kitu. Okay guys, it's time to eat. Karibu. Okay guys. So this is what we have here for today. Yes. This I'm calling home. Yes. Hey, my dog is making noise. Utakula, tulia. Kidogo tu.